Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of Washington. And you guys, this process is so fast and easy. It's literally going to be like 5 minutes. Click the link in the description below. I'm going to do like a walkthrough tutorial, so I'm going to show you on my computer screen at the same time you do it on yours. That way we can go through every single step and make sure you understand exactly what you're doing. I've seen so many videos on YouTube that have like chapters and like all this really long, confusing stuff. I honestly have no idea what they're doing because this process is so fast and easy, super beginner friendly. So again, click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment, and let's just get right into it. Okay, so you're going to start off by clicking the state of Washington. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. I'm going to type in my name. And what stage are you currently in? So you can just select wherever you are at the moment. And as far as an industry, you may fall into a couple of different categories, but you can more than likely find the industry you fall into. For me, I do eyelash extensions, so you can see as I type the letter E in, so many options come up and they get really specific. So you type eyelash and there it is. And then are you offering either a physical good or a professional service, or maybe both? Like I mentioned, I'm providing a service, so I'm going to select that. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want to hire employees. That's completely fine. You can change that at any time back and forth, and it won't affect your filing. You won't have to refile anything. So again, select where you are at the moment. Now you're going to type in your zip code. This can either be your like home address zip code if you're mobile or selling online, or if you have a storefront, you can type in that zip code. And then where are you serving your customers? Either online at a brick and mortar, which is like a shop or a store, or on the go. Like I mentioned, I'm mobile, so I'm on the go. And let's just say I have a website, I'm selling products there too. I can click online. If you happen to have all three, you can click those. And today, you guys, we're gonna click LLC, so it's highlighted in blue. And I also want you to select EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're going to need it if you open a business credit card or business bank account. So at some point down the line, you will need an EIN number. And Taylor Brands has all this other stuff they offer too. So if you want to check any of these out, feel free to select them. Maybe you need like a logo made, or I don't know, a license or a permit for something. You can select these or go back in later and check them out, but I love it's like a one-stop shop for all your business stuff. So this is a survey asking what we've done so far. We can hit skip and you discover Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, Taylor Brands offers you a free 12-week business coaching program. First of all, it's free. We love that. And yeah, if I can take something that helps me make more money for my business, that's amazing. So I want to click join the program. If you don't want it, you can hit no thanks. It's up to you. And now you're going to type in your personal information. And create a password. Okay, again, they're asking, would you like Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number? So if you choose to do it on your own, you can. It's through the IRS website. They only allow you to do it Monday through Friday, so you can't file it on the weekends. And to me, I just feel like government websites in general are kind of outdated and difficult to navigate. I just don't like dealing with that headache. For me, it's only $99 to have Taylor Brands get my EIN for me. I feel like it's completely worth it. Pretty much me just clicking this button here is like, that's it. There's no more information I have to type in for that. So I feel like it's worth it. Okay, and as far as assigning a registered agent, now this is basically a fancy term for who is going to receive the mail about your business LLC. So if you live in Washington and you are opening your LLC in Washington, you will be your own registered agent. Now, if you don't live in the state, but you're opening an LLC in Washington, this could be for some sort of like tax purposes or tax benefits, then you would need to appoint someone that lives in the state. Again, most of you guys, if you're watching this video opening the LLC in your own state, you will be your own registered agent. You can click this option here. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So what happens if you forget to renew it? You're going to be charged some late fees, some fines, and just stuff that you really don't want to pay for. It's just unnecessary. So make sure you renew it every single year. Now, if you want to try to save a little bit of money, you can handle the compliance on your own. Just make sure you do it. Otherwise, it's going to cost you more in the long run. Now, if you think that you might forget about it, or you're just super busy with your business, which is totally understandable, Tailored Brands can renew it for you every single year. It's $199, just an automatic payment, and you don't have to have that stress in the back of your mind. So keep that in mind. Would you like a brand new toolkit? I'm just going to click no here. And yes, I want to get the expedited filing time, get my LLC in 2 days. But if you're not in a rush, you can have it come to you in 2 weeks. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement at all. So click, I'll figure it out myself. Would we like this formation kit? I'm just going to click no. Okay, and this is an amazing service that Tailored Brands offers. So let's just say, you're starting your business, you don't really have a system set up yet for how you want to organize all of your finances, or maybe you do have a system set up yet. You do have a system set up and your business has grown really fast and you're just not as organized as you want to be with like all your invoices and your bookkeeping. Tailored Brands has a program where they can set you up so you know where every single cent is going in your business, which is essentially the reason we have businesses, right? So we want to make the most of our business and we want to be the least stressed, have everything really organized. They give you a free trial. I don't know the price at the end. I think they have a few different options of plans, but definitely worth checking out if you want to take your business serious. Right now, my business is really small. I just started, so I'm going to manage my own books and invoices. But once it grows, I will probably switch over to this right here. And yes, we like to get notified about our LLC. Okay, you guys, and you can select a plan here. Feel free to check out what they have to offer. But for today, we don't need to pay anything extra, so we can just select this light plan. And now we're going to see a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Washington state filing fee is $200. This is just the mandated state fee. No matter where you file your LLC, it's always going to be $200 in Washington. We're getting that free business coaching program, and then we're paying $49 for that expedited filing fee. So this is our total for today. After you pay this and your LLC is filed, then they will charge you for the EIN number. So don't be surprised when you see that second amount come through. That's just that second filing for your EIN. So that's it. So now you're going to enter your credit card information. After this, it's going to ask your address and some other information. Like I said, I always put my home address if I'm doing like an e-commerce business or my mobile business. I don't get junk mail. I don't get spam mail, anything like that. It's literally just to contact you if they need you for something in regards to your LLC. But if you have a shop or store, you can use that business address as well, or instead of your home address. So that's it, you guys. I hope this was easy to follow along, but if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below. That's it. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.